Did you know that in Australia there are about 2.3 million businesses? Of these, about 728,000, or about 32% of them, are on the JobKeeper payment? That's a lot of businesses who need to prepare for what they're going to do when the JobKeeper payment ends. So what should you be doing if you're on JobKeeper to prepare for when this payment ends? The main thing is you need to have a plan, and you need to have a plan now. What should your plan include? It should include where you expect your cash receipts, your cash inflow. Where is that going to come from? Is it going to come from sales? Are there enough sales? Or do you need to borrow money? And if so, now is the time to be speaking to lenders, not in September itself. Your plan should be written. It should be a written cash flow plan with your expected cash receipts and cash payments. I recommend that this be done on a weekly basis and that it be updated for actual cash receipts and actual cash payments. You'll also need to have a think about how you're going to increase your revenue. What marketing are you going to do? Who are you going to target? How much money is it going to bring in? And see if that's enough to cover all your expenses, especially your fixed expenses. Also, have a look to see if you can extend any payment deferrals that are presently in place. Some financiers or some places, some suppliers might let you do this, others may not. Remember to speak to the tax office as well about any tax payments that are due but you haven't paid in full yet. Feel free to get help with your plan. Ask your advisors, ask your bookkeeper, ask your accountant, ask somebody who is good around cash flow planning. Get some input so that you know it's a good plan. And also, if there's any problems that you identify or potential problem areas, address them early. Waiting or not addressing them is not going to fix the problem. Problems don't fix themselves if they're not addressed. So be brave, have a look at those areas, have a written plan, and make your plan for your business as to how you are going to survive after the JobKeeper payments end.